Hey everyone! Welcome to this video. I'm your expert cream drop phone case craftsman. Today, I'm going to show you how to create stunning and unique cream drop phone cases. In this 7-minute video, I'll walk you through the process, step by step, and share some tips and tricks along the way. Materials needed: cream drop gel, different colors of cream. Drop gel, choose according to your preference. Phone case, transparent phone case, ensuring the cream drop gel can spread evenly. Extrusion tool, tool for squeezing out the gel. Can be a gun or a manual extruder. Decorations, such as glitter, beads, etc., for decorating the phone case. Preparation, clean your workspace, ensuring it's tidy. Get all the materials and tools ready for a smooth process. Color selection, choose 2 or more colors of cream drop gel according to your preference. Applying the gel, place the phone case on the workspace with the bottom facing up. Use the extrusion tool to apply the first color of cream drop gel evenly on the bottom of the phone case. Adding decorations, on the phone case, add glitter, beads, or other decorations according to your preference to make it more unique. Second layer, after the first layer of gel has dried, apply the second color of cream drop gel evenly on the phone case. Creative designs, use the extrusion tool to create creative designs on the phone case, such as patterns or 3D shapes. Fine-tuning, check every detail of the phone case, adjusting the shape and position of the gel to ensure a perfect appearance. Completion, once the cream drop gel has completely dried, you've created a beautiful cream drop phone case. Fine-tuning, check every detail of the phone case, adjusting the shape and position of the gel to ensure a perfect appearance. Making cream drop phone cases requires patience and attention to detail, but the results will be worth it. I hope this video helps you create your desired phone case and enjoy the fun of DIY. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it.